Hey guys, my name is Batle Dlamini and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Guys, please don't forget to watch the ads. Let's not skip the ads. There's also super thanks on the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Like, comment and subscribe, share the channel. It's a fun place here. You'll enjoy yourself. So today's a Friday, very chilled Friday, cold Friday. Just trying to keep warm as much as possible. So yeah, I'm just taking a break from work right now, and yeah, just taking a break. I'm gonna have myself something to eat, and this weekend's also just going to be a very chilled week or weekend inside. But yeah, a lot of great things going on. Just looking forward to the next few months and the month coming. So with that, I've started, ordering stuff for my birthday. These are my shoes. I'm going to try them on, and I won't show you guys because it has to be a surprise, but I'm gonna fit them because buying shoes online is also just a tricky business. I really don't want to be in a situation where the shoes don't fit, so hopefully they still have sizes. So I did get these through Superbalist, so we're gonna have a look, and then yeah, we'll show you guys. Mrs. ready. But yeah, like I'll keep saying this, I'm really excited for the festivities and things going well. But yeah, let me eat my food and then we'll catch up a bit later. It's going to be a very homebody vlog this weekend. I also just, it is a bad habit and I will snap out of it, but maybe I will do some work over the weekend. Not good, but like I just have to, it reduces my anxiety. This Monday feeling, if I do something, at least I know, my mailbox is not filled on a Monday. So yeah, I'll work on it. Yeah. So guys, I've decided to show you what the shoes look like. What is it gonna hurt? Honestly, like, is the suspension necessary? I think not. I think it's unnecessary. So this is the box, and it's from Miss Black on Superbalist. So let's see the shoe. Yeah. I don't wear high heels. Disclaimer, I don't wear stilettos. Let me say that. I don't wear stilettos. I wear something that's decent enough for me to be able to walk. So these are pretty high. These are pretty high. So this is the shoe. Cute. And they have a little design there. It's black. So it is butterflies, and I'm a spring baby for those who don't know. So we are just bright, airy. Life is just, let's just live. So this is the shoe. I liked the nude color. I'm really not the biggest fan of a square toe. I must say I'm not a big fan of the square toe, but I like the stiletto part of it. Cute. So let me try it on. Hopefully it fits. I am a size 6, so yeah, I'm just hoping that it really fits. Hopefully the camera is not zooming in and out. I just like the butterfly detail. It's very appropriate for the season to come. Let's try it. Yeah. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Morning. I had such a slow morning. Slow morning today. I just rotted in bed and I just didn't want to be in a rush for no reason. Like, I'm always in a rush. It's Saturday. There's no rush. So I just want to go get groceries. There's this picture of this girl who's wearing this like pink ball gown looking dress, and you know, she's going grocery shopping, and that's how I feel today. I'll just pick up a few things. I think I'm going to commit to eating salad bowls this week. I'm gonna commit to eating salad bowls so that you know, I manage my unhealthy eating, which is not too bad. Like, it's not too bad. I'm not eating takeouts a lot or at all. Yeah, but I'm gonna go get those groceries and then finish up cleaning. I was just like, you know what, I'm such a soldier. Like, mentally I'm always just like, I need to do this, I need to do this, like blah, 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 blah. It's like, you know what, let the day do what it needs to do. I'm not gonna wake up at the crack of dawn on a Saturday. I'm not going to rush anything. Today is come to myself, right? So yeah, this is how I look like this. Thought I should look pretty while I'm outside. I'm done with winter, so I don't know, like, the sun is out and it's not cold, but like in the shade it is. So I'm just going to bring like a jacket, but I'm not in the mood to cover up. But yeah, let me go and then we'll catch up when I'm back. The full look. Summer babe is my Crocs. Ngizongithanda ngi-right ngi-wrong ngi-nje. So yeah, let me go so I can be back and continue with my agenda to rot. Yeah, the weather really isn't all that bad today. It's just, like I said, in the shade. So loving the look. I just have to go to the petrol station. I think I say this all the time, like, petrol. Somebody save me. Somebody save me. Okay, let me go and enjoy some alone time. I'm looking for napkins. Like a deep cherry red type of napkin. But I don't think I'll find it. These are runners. No. I think I see them. My decisions are waiting for me with the cleaning. But I just go to test him. I saw these guys and I lost my mind. What do you even mean? What do you even mean? I want to understand, like, how I always struggle with these types of. I want you to open it once and never be able to tear it. Oh, okay. Okay. I look forward to like eating them. I think I'm gonna have the time of my life. I think I'm gonna so enjoy these. So this is my farewell to winter, because you gotta wrap it up, baby. You gotta wrap it up. Yeah, and then just got a face mask. I haven't eaten anything, so I grabbed this and I forgot to eat it. I want to make salad bowls because, you know, I think, yeah, I did say this, it's healthier option, and I can stretch it out, you know, throughout the week. So I've just added some sirloin beef, just to like make some strips, and I'll make another chicken one today. Avos, my favorite salad. I'll eat this now before I pass out. I'm gonna add corn in the chicken salad. It'll just be like, I'm trying to be healthy. I'm really trying to be healthy. Broccoli, some lettuce. What is this? Is it mange tout? Is that how you say it? Mange or mange? Mange. How do you pronounce this? But we're gonna boil these and put it in our salad as well. Butternut, just to like chop it up a little bit more. It should last me a good couple of days. Yeah, and hopefully I see the difference. My skin, more especially my waistline. I'm trying to be. Hey guys, so I just came to close out the vlog. It's been a nice 2 days and I'm just gonna like eat and rest now. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Aspatle has a channel. Also just remember that we don't have a name for ourselves as the members of this very wonderful channel. So I don't know, I'm gonna start thinking of names. Maybe you guys can propose some in the comment section. Yeah, we need a name. We need a name, so we're gonna find one. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the episode. Yeah, watch the ads, do all the right things, and we'll see each other in the next vlog. Bye.